Coming in times now, I told you about this. The High Court has asked Minister Partha Chatterjee to appear before CBI in the recruitment scam case. So no relief for Mamata's minister. He's run out of options. The deadline set by the High Court is 6 p.m. The court has asked Partha Chatterjee to appear before the Central Bureau of Investigation today before 6 p.m. And we are being told that Mr. Chatterjee is en route CBI office anytime now. He will be there. Tamal Saha now joining us for more on this. Yes, Tamal.
Pranesh, it's 5:05. Exactly 55 minutes left for Partha Chatterjee to come physically appear before the investigating agency. Here in this case, it's CBI. Technically, literally time is running out for this minister. Of course, he would be coming because he has got no other option. Previously, we have to recall, in the same SSC alleged recruitment scam case, the single bench judge, Justice Abhijit Ganguly, had come down heavily, had asked him to appear before the agency. Similarly, by 6 p.m. a couple of weeks back, that time Partha Chatterjee was quick enough to move to the division bench. That time the division bench was kind enough to accept it. That time the division bench had put a stay on it. That's the reason Partha Chatterjee didn't have to come and appear before the agency then. But today it seems like it's a hard luck for him. He had moved to the division bench. The matter was not admitted. He has been asked to go before the Chief Justice's bench, and it's already 5. So he cannot go and file a fresh petition before the Chief Justice's bench against the single bench order, which means he has got no other option but to comply with the single bench order. And what does it say? The single bench order in the SSC recruitment alleged scam and also in the Group D recruitment irregularity case, Partha Chatterjee, who was then the education minister in Mamata Banerjee's government, has been asked to appear before CBI by 6 p.m. today. And thus, you see the massive bandobast. There is massive police presence out here. The barricades have been brought in, and Partha Chatterjee would be coming down here any moment. He will have to face the examination today. He will have to face the officers today. We have been told 4 senior CBI officers, including an SP rank officer, have already arrived at the CBI office, and as you see, the Partha Chatterjee, excuse me, sir, excuse me, please, I can manage my camera person, please. So the CBI officials are inside. Police are trying to ensure the entire route is kept clear so that Partha Chatterjee's convoy can come and he can go inside. He will be coming from this side, and of course he will be going inside. So Partha Chatterjee, who was then the education minister, he will now have to appear before the agency. He will be going inside the CBI office. He will have to face the examination because it's a court-monitored probe, and the court has directed unequivocally, without any ambiguity, that he will have to appear before the agency. Pranesh, the most important part, the single bench, Justice Abhijit Ganguly has also indicated that if CBI finds it's necessary, CBI can go for custodial interrogation, which means if CBI wants, they are at their freedom to arrest Partha Chatterjee, who is a minister. Also, let's understand, the single bench judge has quite categorically mentioned that this as a case is so scary that the people who had been at the helm of affairs do not have the moral right to continue in the position, and has thereby urged the Chief Minister, has thereby urged the State Governor to take cognizance, and such people are being removed. It's just not specific to Partha Chatterjee, but also in the case of Paresh Adhikari, who too is under the lens of the CBI. But for the time being, the entire focus now remains on Partha Chatterjee. It's 5:07, and another 43 to 50 minutes. He will have to come down because by 6 p.m.
Tamal, just hold your thoughts. Getting a reaction from the BJP. Rahul Sinha now speaking to Times Now. Sinha साहब, Times Now से बात करने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया. पार्थो चैटर्जी को कोर्ट से कोई रिलीफ नहीं मिली है. उन्हें कहा गया है 6 बजे से पहले आप सीबीआई ऑफिस पहुंचे.
नहीं, देखिए, इसके पहले ही तो सिंगल जजेस बेंच से ऑर्डर आया था सीबीआई से मिलने का और पूछताछ को फेस करने का, लेकिन उस समय उनको रिलीफ मिल गया था डिवीजन बेंच से. आज उसी डिवीजन बेंच ने इनकार कर दिया और डिवीजन बेंच ने सीधा बोला आपका फाइल भी नहीं हुआ, और उनका देखिए सीबीआई से फेस करने का डर कितना है। पहले ही बोलते हैं अरेस्ट ना करे, मतलब मन में इतना डर है, इसीलिए ही बोल रहा है जो अपराधी होगा उसका मन में ऐसा होता है कि हमको अरेस्ट ना करे, लेकिन अपराधी नहीं होगा तो उसका मन में कुछ नहीं होगा। तो इसीलिए मैं चाहता हूँ जो आदेश अदालत ने दिया उस अदालत का आदेश का पालन हो, और उसके बाद सीबीआई तय करेगा पूछताछ में क्या निकालता है और उसमें सीबीआई को आगे क्या करना है ये सीबीआई सोचेंगे, लेकिन जांच होना चाहिए और जांच को फेस करना चाहिए, यही हम लोगों का कहना है।
राहुल सिन्हा साहब, जब ये केस तब का है जब पार्थो चैटर्जी मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन थे। अब जब सीबीआई इसकी जांच कर रही है, वो अभी भी इंडस्ट्री, कॉमर्स और पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर हैं। बीजेपी ये मांग कर रही है कि उनको इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। We've lost that line with Rahul Sinha, but Tamal, if you could take that question. The charge from the BJP is that the minister, on moral responsibility, on moral grounds, must quit.
Well, Pradesh, we cannot discount the fact that Partha Chatterjee has already faced CBI, has faced Enforcement Directorate in the alleged, SSC Recruitment Scam case. So basically, Partha Chatterjee has been under the lens of the agency quite some time because, minded, several complaints, several petitions have been filed before the court alleging that favors have been done. Favors have been done illegitimately, illegally, and without any rhyme and reason. Somebody's daughter, somebody's son, who do not even qualify to become a teacher, who do not have the right cutoff marks to become a teacher, have been recruited, and people who are eligible, people who are actually eligible with all the numbers and grades, they have been left out. So there have been multiple cases, multiple petitions filed before the Calcutta High Court, and it's been on for quite some time. So Partha Chatterjee, when he comes today, it's not going to be an easy examination because he had been the former education minister.
Absolutely, which is why, Tamal, we'll keep coming back to you when Partha Chatterjee reaches the CBI headquarters. Keep sending us updates.